how to create cascaded dropdown in Excel. This is very useful functionality in Excel. For example, if I select India, all the India related cities will come up. For example, here I have given 4 city names like Delhi, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, and so on. And then if I switch back to any other country name, Japan is the one country, again, Japan related associated cities will come up. So this method is very, very helpful in order to collect the data or whenever you're trying to have any control. So this will act as a good validation because you will not be able to take any other city's name. So the swapping or incorrect city name will be largely prevented. How to create this one? So for that, we need 11 steps that I have already documented here. And let's start with the step number 1, that is creating 2 columns. So we have created 2 columns, country and city. And then step number 2, we are going to select as a drop down, right? Because we are going to select the country name. Here I have taken only 3 countries. You can take more countries also as well. To do that is a drop down, right? So you can go under data and data validation. In the data validation, simply if you're referenced by that, you can take the reference, or you can give like this also as well. For example, India, comma, and you have a Japan, comma, and then you have Australia. Okay, just apply, right? So this is done. Now we are going to the third step, that is creating this values. For example, India, I'm just giving four city name, and then you can add more also as well, and Japan and Australia and so on, and it could be more also as well, right? So this is done. Once this has been done, what we have to do, we need to convert into table. To do the table, you can just select Control T, or I'm just using web version, so I'm just selecting insert, and then you have this one, right? And it is already created, so it is just giving that symbol, error symbol, right? So once it is been done, all the 3 table individually are converting into table by just selecting Control T. Once it has been done, the next step is that you have to make sure that the table design and filter button should be off, and then you can give the same country name. For example, let's say instead of for table, I'm just giving country name here, India, and then you can see here I have given Japan, here I have given Australia as an example, right? So this is done. Once it is done, so now the last step is that you select, come back to city, you select this one, go to data, in the data validation. In the data validation, you can just select this formula equal to indirect, and then you can select that value. For example, I'm just selecting this is one of the value, right? And if you get that error, no problem. You can just select this particular column. So keep it here and then select. Give OK and apply it. Now you see that whenever you're selecting India, all the associated value will come up. Again, you're switching back to any other country, and then associated values will come up. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.